In the central nervous system, the dopaminergic neurons are protected by two separate yet equally important proteins: the Parkin gene who investigates the crime and the ubiquitin who tags the offenders. These are their stories.
This is one of the worst crime scenes I've ever seen.
You're telling me. So, run me through what we know.
Okay, so we already have GPI in custody for the murder of dopaminergic neurons in Parkinson's County. All we need is our second accomplice to close this case.
Okay, so the Lopes brothers, frontal, parietal, and temporal, wanted to exhibit Parkinson's disease symptoms, so they told the basal ganglia to get it done.
Right, and we have caudate, putamen, and globus pallidus in basal ganglia, right?
Right, so caudate and putamen put their best man on the job, GPI. But let's not get him confused with his twin brother, GPE.
Right. And then the Lopes brothers stressed the urgency of exhibiting the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, which is why it was done directly through GPI. And then GPI didn't let the thalamus get anywhere near the situation, thus inhibiting thalamus from protecting the primary motor functions associated with the motor cortex.
So it seems like GPI wasn't the main guy, but was definitely involved in the death of the dopaminergic neurons and the onset of Parkinson's disease. Let's make him talk.
I'm Detective Parkin.
And I'm Detective G. And now you're going to tell us how you were involved in the death of dopaminergic neurons.
I'm not saying anything. The Lopes brothers will have my head if I do. I've already said too much.
So you're admitting your role in the case. Where were you when this took place?
I'm sorry. I was involved in their death, but I wasn't the only one. My job was to inhibit the motor cortex via the thalamus. It's Lauren's body that you want. I have proof.
Wow, this is truly a breakthrough in the case. Get Louie in the room.
Now, Louie, we already have proof that you're at the scene of the crime.
Specifically in the cytoplasm of nigrostriatal neurons.
You can either talk or things are going to get ugly.
I'm not saying anything.
We have all the proof, Louie. Make this easier for all of us.
Fine, I did it, okay? I was a hitman. The alpha-synuclein got the best of me, and I became completely mutated. The more proteins that were in my core, the more toxic I became. These mutations caused the toxic gain of function, and the abnormal alpha-synuclein misfolded and severely aggregated the dopaminergic neurons. My collaboration with GPI killed them. All of them.
Well, looks like we've caught you red-handed, Louie, and GPI. You'll be going to jail for a long time. Lock 'em up, boys.
Another successful case, partner. Maybe we can save those dopaminergic neurons next time.